In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize emails in Mailchimp. Personalization helps your messages feel relevant and friendly, which can boost opens and clicks. I'll walk you through using Mailchimp's built-in tools so your email greets each contact by name and can pull in the details you've already collected. Start by opening Mailchimp and heading to the home dashboard. From there, select Create Email. This begins a new campaign and takes you straight into the setup flow, where you can decide how you want to build your message. When you reach the design screen that asks how you want to design your email, go with a straightforward option so you can focus on personalization first. Choose the basic layout to get a clean, flexible structure without distractions. After that, pick a template that fits your content and click Apply. The template just sets the starting blocks and styles. You can change any of it as you go. Now you're in the email editor. Click any text block to start editing. Type your greeting, your intro, or any sentence where you want personalized information to appear. This is where the magic happens. In the editing toolbar, open the Merge Tags menu. Merge tags are placeholders that Mailchimp replaces with each subscriber's data at send time, so every person sees their own details. From the menu, choose what you want to personalize. Under Contact Data, you'll see options like email address, first name, last name, address, phone number, birthday company, and Shopify B2B company. Pick first name to drop the subscriber's first name into your greeting, or use last name if that fits your tone. You can also reference company for B2B audiences, or birthday and address when the message truly benefits from those details. There's also audience data such as list address, HTML, which pulls in your list's contact address in a formatted way when needed at the footer. As you insert tags, write sentences that still read naturally if a field is missing. For example, pair a friendly generic greeting with a first name tag, and make sure punctuation and spacing look right around the placeholder. Use personalization sparingly and meaningfully. One or two well-chosen details often feel more genuine than many. Keep your layout tidy by previewing the text inside the editor and skimming for consistency in font sizes and alignment after you add tags. Finally, once your content sounds natural, your chosen merge tags are in place, and your template looks clean, you're ready to move forward. You've now personalized your Mailchimp email so it dynamically adapts to each subscriber, helping you send messages that feel like they were written just for them.